How much does Beehive cost? Well, let's look at the main pricing page of Beehive to find out what their current prices are. I'm right here on the pricing page, as you can see at the top here, and we're in the pricing for Beehive, the popular email marketing platform. So first of all, check out the link in my video description just below this video. There's a free trial for you there. If you click my link, you get some advantages that you wouldn't have just by clicking through to the main pricing page. So here on the pricing page, we have 1,000 email subscribers set as a default right here. You can move this along. So if you are importing from another email marketing platform, for instance, you can put in either 1,000, 2,500, 5,000. You actually put in any number and the pricing will be reflected there. This is just a kind of barometer of how much you'll be paying depending on the amount of subscribers you're putting in. Obviously, the more you're putting in, the more subscribers you have, the more you'll pay. So right here, this is the annual billing. There is a saving on annual, like there normally is with SaaS products. If you wanted to flick to monthly billing, you don't want to pay all in one go for the annual plan, you can pay on a month-to-month rolling basis. So the three plans that they actually have four if you include the enterprise plan. They have the launch plan, which is currently $0 per month. You can have up to 2,500 subscribers with that plan. So very good value there. Probably one of the best value in whole market, I'd say, of email marketing platforms. You've also got scale right here at $43 per month. That's $517 billed annually. And then we have max right here at $96 per month. So you can see the breakdown right here. I won't go through everything, but you can see on your screen. And when you check out the pricing plan, you'll see the pricing page even. You'll see exactly what you actually get in each of these plans in launch, scale, and max. If you're looking for enterprise, you can contact sales and they have this enterprise plan here if you have more than 100,000 subscribers. So very reasonable prices, lots going on here. You get your basic newsletter, website and podcast, campaign analytics, and unlimited email sends in the free plan. You're just limited to the number of subscribers that you have. If you want more detailed, advanced kind of customizations and automations, especially as it relates to autoresponders and such, you'll need to go with the scale plan or the max plan. So depending on what your business, what kind of stage your business is at, you have these different options right here. You can check out the feature comparison table as well. If you scroll down, you can see all of the differences side by side, and that can be very helpful as well. There's some frequently asked questions down at the bottom as well, if you want to learn more. So I encourage you to get a free trial. Click my link in the video description just below this video, get that free trial, check it out, see if it's for you, see if Beehive is the platform for you. If it's not, you don't have to stick around. You don't pay anything. This is a free trial. If you want to stick around, these are your options right here. Hopefully you have found this video useful. If you have, drop the video a like, it really helps, and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.